A tight 180-degree U-turn isn't just about turning the handlebars. The real challenge is keeping the motorcycle balanced while your head, clutch, throttle, and steering all work together. My first priority is getting my head up and looking all the way through the U-turn, not down at the cones or directly in front of the bike. The handlebars need to keep turning into the maneuver, but the bike follows your eyes. Where your head goes first, the motorcycle naturally wants to follow. At the same time, I'm keeping light throttle and controlled clutch engagement, so the motorcycle has steady power as it moves underneath me. Before my second attempt, watch the riders ahead one more time. Pay attention to the combination: slow entry, steady power, full steering input, and an early head turn toward the exit. Turning the handlebars close to full lock can feel uncomfortable at first. That's completely normal. The only way it starts feeling natural is through repetition and practice. If I pull the clutch all the way in, I remove that power from the rear wheel. The motorcycle can become less stable, lean farther than intended, and then run wide as I try to bring it upright again. That was the biggest lesson from this drill. Enter slowly, keep controlled power going to the rear wheel, turn your head early, and trust the motorcycle to follow. Tight U-turns feel awkward at first, but every clean repetition makes full lock control more comfortable.